This office is. Nobody, no tenants here in the lobby. iHeartRadio's in there. Yeah, ThyssenKrupp.
California focus.
Oh, these were U.S.
What's weird is it's ThyssenKrupp, California with the
I know, these weren't U.S.? Uh-oh.
Is it 4 logo? All
7.
All right, move away from the doorway here.
Isn't it weird that cultural, whatever the fuck that word is.
Culturally.
We all face the door. We don't face the wall in an elevator.
Oh, yeah.
This is the tax floor or something.
Let's see here. I don't know what these were, actually. Oh, these were Dover. Dover. That's Dover blue. That guy was staring me down.
He was.
B is locked. 1.
I locked eyes with him for a moment.
Me too.
B is locked. It's a shame. Is that like a tax IRS office or something in there?
I don't know.
Because it said something taxes.
I saw that.
I don't know. I kind of want to take the stairs up to see what the upper floors are, but
With Officer Chuckles watching there.
yeah.
Quickly, let's show the panel. Anyway. Yeah, former Dover's here. Oh, look at the sign. They all say passenger elevator, and passenger/freight elevator. Or passenger and freight elevator. Anyway, that's all.